Hello, welcome to Susu Rabbits and Happy New Year once again. I'm so sorry for the long break, and I promise you we'll be giving you back-to-back premium content this year. All right, I want to introduce you to my new babies. God bless us with so many babies this January. So let's go. This January we have about 6 births, and I want to introduce you to the mother and the children. That is the kids. This is the mom, and these are the children, and this is what we do every day. We go in, they're about 5 days, and check their well-being. How do? We check their tummy. Have you seen the tummy? They are very active at this stage. The tummy is big, which means that they are well fed. Yeah, this one was about 4. You can see they are okay. You check if there is poo inside, and also if the hair her weight like this, remove something like this, it means that we will enter. You can see, because if you drop them, if you leave them here, they can breed bacteria that may eventually kill the babies. So number 1, clock it. Number 2, one of the major problems we had with number 2 was that the hair was not much at all. The hair was not much, so we have to improvise with dry plantain leaf. They are clean, dry plantain leaf. The first one was 4 babies. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are about 4 days old. What can you notice? You can see that the eyes are still closed. The eyes are still closed. The activity is not too frequent. They are still depending on themselves to get warm. So I cannot cover them, because the way the mother arranged them, when she wants to enter, she knows where to put her leg. So you can see that the babies here are not as big as the first baby, because this one is multiple births, but they are very okay. Can you see the tummy? They are still well fed. Have you seen? They are still well fed. Clock it. Number 2. This is our number 3 January birth. Knock, knock, knock. I'm entering inside. I'm entering in. Funny enough, the rabbits are not too hostile when they give birth, but when they are pregnant, they are very hostile. So, unfortunately, did not bring any hair. We use this is what we use, but it was spoiled. So there I will introduce another one. You can see the babies are hairless. And this is what I say. I'm packing out the poo. This is why we check them every day. I'm packing out the, and I will put in some dry leaf. Can you see their tummy? Can you see their tummy? They are feeding them well. Can you see? Also about 5 births. Can you see the tummy? They are feeding them well, because it's always important to check the tummy. If not, they can die of lack of food. This is number 4. Knock, knock, knock. I'm coming to check the baby. Number 4 babies. I'm always emphasizing on their tummy. Can you see their tummy? They are very big. Can you see their tummy? They are very big. The hair is coming. The hair is coming up, and this is also helping them. The hair is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are very big. The mother is doing an excellent job. Yeah, the mother is doing a very good job feeding them very well. They are well fed. The beddings are not spoiled, and there is no poo inside. So they are in presidential palace, and they are good. So inspection done. Clock it. Yeah, we are going to number 5. We are almost there. Like I said, the mothers are not hostile after giving birth. Yeah, they are so lovely. Can you see them? They are so lovely. Yeah, they are doing well. So inspection done. They are now one and the udogos. They are the udogos. Can you see them? This is from an Harlequin mother. They are sleeping. They are very active, but they are sleeping now. This is what is inside. They don't need hair again because they have formed their own hair. They have formed their own hair. So I'm going to pack. They have formed their own hair, so they don't need hair again. So it's just to clean the... I need to clean first. Harlequin babies. Last time their eyes were not opening. Now can you see their eyes is opening? Can you see? This one is just like their mom. Just like their mom. Eyes are opening. So movement are defined. They know where they are going to. You see? Not fully open, but they are opened. And they are being fed well. Have you seen their tummy? This is how to check. They are being fed well and they are so lovely. They will not stay in one place, so don't mind them. They are so lovely. All right. Hello, so that is the end of our daily inspection for today. They are all doing well. We don't have any dead baby, and thankfully enough, everything is okay. All of them are well fed. So that is the end of our video for today, and I will give you more updates. So please remember to subscribe and join us. Your notification button should be on, so that anytime we are live you will see us. Thank you and happy new year once again.